Hello, I'm in a 2015 Kia Sedona, and I'm going to show you today how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your interface. So first, you're going to start the vehicle, wait just a moment for everything to load, at which point you want to, on your device, obviously make sure it's powered on and that you have your Bluetooth highlighted. And then usually if you hold your Bluetooth, it'll open your Bluetooth menu. But then from here, easiest to be to go to phone. You could probably access it through other buttons as well, but this will be easier. And then it's trying to connect, so we're going to add new. Just keep hitting add new. So, and there's a max number of phones you can have, so you're gonna have to delete one first. So connections. Alright, there we go. It just took a minute to load. So then it'll select whichever device you want to delete. We'll see it's this one. And then delete. And then yes. Alright, deleted. So yeah, it just took a moment. So you have to have a little patience. Alright, so now we're going to add a new device.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
So
on your device, select the device name that matches car name on the screen.
And it says Kia Motors, which it now says on my phone. So it's syncing up now. It says I might have to put in a pass key. But we just this part you always have to wait a few moments for everything to connect. There's the pass key. Now it's got some other random numbers, which they match. So pair. And that should be good. It's just waiting another moment. Sometimes it'll ask if you want to connect your phone book. Just make it easier for taking calls while you drive.
The contact download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
But that's it. And then now you can listen to music, take phone calls, things like that while you're driving. Some models also can link up for like navigation and things too. But that's it. Sometimes this takes a few tries too, just how technology is. You may have to restart your phone or car once or twice. Some vehicles you have to be in park for it to let you connect to for safety. So you might have to put it in park if you're still having issues. And if for some reason these buttons aren't working for you, a lot of times if you find, usually on your steering wheel, a button like this, you can then connect using the voice commands. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.